Presenting the Toyota 2017 Camry SE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel-mounted controls, voice recognition controls, phone hands-free, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function, multi-function display, phone wireless data link, Bluetooth and crumple zones front. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.